Namaste, I am Dr. Suparna. Today we are discussing about very interesting topic, but before that, let's go and watch a small video.
Tina, where are you?
What happened? I'm here.
Do you know Tina? My friend Ramesh, he's now at hospital since last week. We just went to the hospital and met him today.
Oh my god. Oh, that tall guy. What happened to him? You come and sit here.
I don't know exactly what happened, but his sister was saying that he had his one tooth removed in nearby dental clinic last month.
What symptoms did he develop in particular?
He was pale and yellowish and passed dark urine and with abdominal pain and weakness. Doctors have suspected of hepatitis.
Oh, so sad. Was it the dental clinic near the bus stop? I have heard things about that clinic and its owner.
Yes, exactly. Wait, what have you heard?
The dental clinic is not a registered one and the clinic owner is not a licensed dentist. My friends too have had their dental treatment done there before. They were quite suspicious about his qualification and he had no certificate of license which could prove that he was a registered dentist. He may be a quack.
Oh God.
Yes, your friend might have got hepatitis after the treatment due to improper infection control.
Oh, that may be true. Let's go and see whether it's true.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my God! Look, the dental clinic is not there. They have already removed the signboard too. He might have run away.
Yes, he was a quack indeed. He played with our health for so long and we are not able to recognize him. Let's spread awareness about this, talking to the local authority.
Yeah, of course. Let's go.
Hope you all enjoy the video. So today I am here to tell you about the risk of getting treatment from an unregistered dental care provider whom we call quack. A quack is a person who doesn't have proper qualification and license to practice dentistry as per law. But they still continue to do this because of failure of the regulating bodies to investigate them. So there are plenty of quack providing dental care in your locality too. They may be having you by providing substandard care and even transmitting many infectious diseases like HIV and hepatitis due to inadequate infection control measures applied in their clinic. Always make sure whether your dentist has got proper license or qualification to treat you before getting treatment from next time. Dental quackery is harmful for the general population and it is increasing in the alarming rate. Measures need to be taken in order to stop these unethical dental practices. The government, DCI and the professional dentist and the public who do receive dental services must come together to fight this unfortunate blot on the respectable profession of dentistry. At last, I want to say we do care for you. Stay healthy, stay safe, say no to quack and spread this message of awareness. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.